Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine and your home you are also safe with your parents. So dear students, yesterday we have done a revision of chapter number 1, that is more about myself. I hope you all have done it and understand very well and learn also. So now today we are going to revise our chapter number 2, that is mind body. Lesson number 2, mind body. I hope आप लोगों ने पहले भी इस चैप्टर के सेशंस अटेंड किए हैं और आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया है. So we are going to do today a revision class. Okay. So today we are going to do revision because examinations are coming soon, है ना. So exam जल्दी ही आ रही है तो हमें revision करना है, हमें learn करना है and we have to prepare ourselves for exams. Okay, so dear students, on this chapter we have learnt about different parts of our body. Okay, so we have mainly two different parts, that is internal, external part and internal part. External organs are those organs which we can see from outside, है ना. Outside से जो हम अपने body parts को देख सकते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं external organs. And internal organs are those parts of the body which are inside our body, जो हमारे body के अंदर होते हैं, जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देते हैं बाहर से. So that are the external organs. Each and every body part help us to do different actions, है ना. हमारे अलग अलग actions हमें करने के लिए हमारे body parts ही हमें help करते हैं. Like I am walking here, so I use my legs and feet. If I am writing something, I will use my hands. Okay, in this way, legs and hands are always helping to do different types of activities. From legs we do dance, run, ski, jump, kick and walk. And from hands we do write, eat, hold something, throw, count, 1, 2, 3, count and catch. So in this way hands and legs also help us too much. Dear students, we have completed this activity on our book. Okay, so here are so many different parts which a girl is showing to us, है ना. Girl हमें अपने body parts बता रही है और हमें उनका यहाँ नाम लिखना है. So already we have done this exercise and after that we have learned about sense organs, which are very most important part of our body. There are mainly 5 sense organs, that are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. You can see on the page number 14 there. Okay, on the page number 14 these are the sense organs. So sense organs are helpers, that are helpers to feel, to see and to sense our surrounding. आसपास जो चीजें हैं हमें उन्हें फील करने के लिए हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. लाइक आसपास की चीजें देखने के लिए whatever we want to see we use our eyes. So eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see different things. We see with our eyes. After that we have a nose on our sense organ, so we can smell our surroundings. Okay, smell. So our nose help us to smell. We smell with our nose. After that we have ears, so we can smell good or bad from our nose. So we can, after that we have ears. So ears are help us to hear the sound. ना कुछ भी आवाज सुनने के लिए various sounds are there in our surroundings. So if we want to hear them, we have to use our ears. So we hear with our ears. After that we have tongue, Tongue, tongue. So tongue help us to taste the things. Okay, whatever we eat with our tongue. Whatever we talk also with the help of our tongue. So the tongue has taste buds to taste sweet, sour, bitter and salty thing. Tongue के पास एक taste करने का bird रहता है. Okay, so उससे हम हर चीज को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, आइदर इट इज अ सॉल्ट और स्वीट, यानी कुछ मीठा खाएंगे तो हमें मीठा लगता है, खट्टा खाते हैं तो हमें खट्टा लगता है. हाउ इट कैन बी हैपन? थ्रू अवर टंग. So we taste with our tongue. And the last one, skin. As I have told you, skin is the largest sense organ because it is all over the body. हमारी पूरी बॉडी में स्किन होती है. That is why it is called largest sense organ of our body. So skin help us to feel. हमें फील करवाता है. कुछ भी चीजों को हम टच करते हैं, so we can feel either it is a hard or it is a soft, it is a cold. When we touch a hot glass of milk, so we can feel a hotness of the milk. है ना, गरम गरम हम फील कर सकते हैं through our skin, है ना, by touching it. So skin help us to feel cold, hot, soft, hard, smooth and rough things. So dear students, we have learnt about sense organ and also done an activity which is given on the page number 15. After that, we have learned about internal organs. As I have told you, internal organs are that parts of the body which are inside our body. जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं, ऐसे पार्ट्स को हम internal organs कहते हैं. So internal organs जो होते हैं, mainly there are so many internal organs, but which we have learned 4 main internal organs. 4 हमने organs पढ़े थे जो काफी main parts होते हैं हमारे body के. That is our brain, which is inside our head. हमारे head के अंदर होता है हमारा brain, which help us to think, जिससे हम सोचते हैं और वही action perform करते हैं. Okay, after that where we have lungs inside our chest, है ना, हमारे चेस्ट के अंदर हमारे लंग्स होते हैं which help us to breathe. हमारी जो सांसें हैं वो लंग्स के थ्रू चलती है ना, हमें हेल्प करता है. लंग्स fill air with them, है ना, they are filled with air. उनके अंदर एयर भरी रहती है और हम जो भी ब्रेथ इन करते हैं वो लंग्स में जाती है एंड ब्रेथ आउट भी उस वैसे ही होता है. So there are 2 lungs in our chest. हमेशा हमारी बॉडी में कितनी लंग्स होती हैं? 2 lungs. Okay, brain only 1. After that, brain control all over the body. Then we have a heart. Okay, in the chest also. In the chest, in the left side we have a heart. Heart, हमेशा हम अपना हार्ट जो है हमारा हार्ट शेप बनाते हैं, but it has a different shape you can see on your book. Okay, in the page number 1515. So heart जो है pump blood to all over the body. हमारे अंदर कभी भी हमें चोट लगती है, you can see whenever we get hurt, है ना, हमें चोट लगती है, so blood comes, है ना, ब्लड निकलता है. So that blood comes from a heart pumps blood all over the body parts. सारे body parts में ब्लड पहुंचाने का काम कौन करता है? हार्ट, है ना. हार्ट के बाद ब्लड सेल्स लगी रहती है, उसके थ्रू पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड पंप होता है. So we feel our heartbeat. When you touch your heart, you can feel this type of sound, so you can feel your heartbeat. That is called heartbeat. Beat यानी bump होना, है ना. So that is heartbeat. Beat is a sound of a heart. After that we have stomach, पेट, है ना. We see stomach, no, because we see only skin, है ना. हम ऊपर से सिर्फ स्किन देखते हैं. स्टमक दिखता है क्या? जिसे हमें आईज दिख रही है, बट स्टमक हमें दिखता नहीं है, बट हम बोलते हैं दिस इज अवर स्टमक. बट स्टमक के ऊपर हमारी स्किन लगी हुई है, तो सो दैट इज inside our body, that is also called an internal organ. वो अंदर रहता है, इसलिए उसे स्टमक को भी इंटरनल ऑर्गन कहते हैं. स्टमक all the food that we eat goes to the stomach. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं वो हमारा कहाँ जाता है? Through the food pipe it goes to the stomach, and stomach help us to break down the food parts and digest our food. हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने का जो वर्क है वो स्टमक करता है. So our body body made up of bones and muscles. Bone gives us shapes to our body and muscles gives us movement to our body. So movement, what is movement and what is shape? Shape मतलब जैसे हम दिखते हैं, that is a shape of our body. So it is made up of bones, different types of bones, and muscles. जो हमारे muscles होते हैं वो हमें किसी भी चीज को movement, like if I want to raise my hand, so that movement is done by my muscles. ठीक है? If I want to sit, okay, मैं कहीं बैठना चाहती हूँ, so our muscle help us to do different types of movement, and our body gives us shape. Okay, so in this way we have learned so many things about our body in this chapter. After that, dear students, we have learned so many different parts of our body, that are first and external parts of our body that can be seen from outside, like we have hands, legs, shoulders, nose, head, hair, okay, chin, cheeks. So these are all our external organs, external parts. Parts भी बोल सकते हैं और organs भी बोल सकते हैं. We say mostly organs. ठीक है? You know, साइंस लैंग्वेज वी सेज ऑर्गन्स. पार्ट्स नहीं बोलते, पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी की जगह हम ऑर्गन्स ऑफ बॉडी. ओके, एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी. सो ऑर्गन्स. After that we have learned sense organs. So 5 mainly sense organs. Then we have learned internal organs, and in this way we have all learned about my body chapter. I hope you all have understood very well. Again, if you have any query, you can ask me by sending a message on my number. After that, dear students, we have done our exercise which is given on page number 16. In this exercise, we have done put a tick mark, then filling the blanks and identify these body parts and write their names. I hope you all have completed your work. After that, we have done question and answers in the notebook. Who has not done question answers? किसी के पास अगर question answers नहीं लिखे हैं, तो ask to your friend to send a photograph, and you have to complete it very soon because examinations are coming soon. आपको अपने किसी भी फ्रेंड को आप मैसेज करिए और उनसे नोट्स मांगिए. ओके, सो बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन ऑन द group also, so you can find out in the group also. After that, we have done activity time, and here we have completed our chapter, and also today we have done our revision class of the chapter number 2, that is my body. So dear students, I hope you all have understood and do complete it, do complete your work and learn this chapter again and again for the examination. Prepare it very well. So bye dear students, take care, have a nice day. Tomorrow we will meet again and do revision of chapter number 3. So before that, read it. Okay, read chapter number 3. Tomorrow I will explain again you chapter number 3 as a revision class. So bye, take care, have a nice day.